Hi, when people are building their visibility network, they often wonder what are some of the key features of a packet broker, how do they go about selecting the right one for their needs, and what are some of the key questions to ask along the way. I'm Hans Hohenner, I'm a systems engineer at Keysight, and today that's what we're going to talk about. So the first consideration when selecting a packet broker is raw port count and speed and feed of the packet broker. Also, when you're counting ports, make sure to remember that a tap takes 2 ports in a packet broker, like so, because you're trying to capture the full duplex connection of the link that you're tapping. Additionally, it can be very beneficial and cost effective to scale horizontally and distribute smaller, less expensive aggregation packet brokers around your data center where you've got high numbers of links you're trying to tap, and then bring that data home over a high-speed link to your main packet broker that distributes the data to the tools and processes it before doing so. The next criteria to use when selecting a packet broker is the product's ease of use. Looking at the Keysight user interface here, I can see I've got all my data coming in on the left, all my data going out on the right, and some filtering going on in the middle. Even just looking at the icons tells me that this filter is blocking all traffic, this filter is passing only some of the traffic, this filter is passing all of it. I can do complex things, like I can grab this web filter, drag and drop it onto that filter, replace and apply it, and now I'm filtering on web traffic up there at the crash cart. I didn't have to go into any scripting language to get that done. I didn't have to do any complicated configuration. After all, the tool keeps the easy things easy and gives me the flexibility to handle the hard things gracefully. And isn't that the hallmark of a tool we all look for in our day-to-day jobs? So the third, and probably most important criteria when selecting a packet broker, has to do with tool enablement. After all, most folks have at least 6 tools in their environment, and that's really what is driving the visibility fabric in the first place. The network packet broker is a device that gets the data off of your production network from all the taps and spans, processes that data, and it delivers it over to your different tools. They can deliver it over different speeds and feeds, depending on what tools need. It can even load balance the traffic if needed, and it processes the data before it gets there. Some of the most important things it does, and the Keysight solution does this in hardware, not in software, is deduplicating the traffic. That's if this server is talking to another server in the same network, you're obviously going to traverse more than one tap. We'll deliver the first copy of that data, but not the second, third, or fourth. Also, the other major features have to do with header stripping. Not all tools can deal with all types of network headers. We can strip those so you can enable the tool. And we can also trim the packet. So if you've got something like video where you don't care about the payload, you only want to see the headers, we can strip that off, make your tool much more efficient. Finally, SSL decryption. We can deliver decrypted data to your tools, and we can generate NetFlow for any SIM you have on your network. Just summing up real quick, the key strengths for Keysight. Ease of use, we talked about that. Performance, this is critically important. We do everything in field programmable gate arrays in the box. This means that we can handle any size packet at any line rate, so we can handle full sustained line rate of the traffic. Doesn't matter if they're large packets with small amounts of data or small numbers of packets with large amounts of data. We can handle it all. True intelligence, we go all the way up to layer 7. So if you want to do something like see the Facebook network but don't want to have to worry about trying to figure out what the content delivery network looks like, we can take care of that for you. We didn't really talk about inline or cloud much, but rest assured, we've got your back there. Thank you and take care.